Hello everyone. Today I am discussing in this video about the logarithmic differentiation, which is exam essential consisting of 2 marks. So let us move to the first question. If y is equal to x to the power of x, find dy by dx. The problem is if y is equal to x to the power of x, find dy by dx. See, actually, in this problem, you know the derivative of x power n. So, what is d by dx of x power n? X power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. So, similarly, you know the derivative of a power x. See, observe this properly. In the first derivative, n is constant. Okay, x is it is a function. In the second derivative, a is constant, x is a function. So a power x, base is constant, power is a function. In the first derivative, base is function, power is constant. Okay. So you should be very careful in those things. A power x derivative is a power x log a. You know these two derivatives. But here in this question, the base is power of x, the base is function of x, and also the power is function of x. Observe this, base and power both are functions of x. So in those cases, how we should differentiate the function? So let us see how to differentiate this type of function. Okay, so let me differentiate with respect to x. See, directly you can't differentiate this type of function. You must take log on both the side. So you can write the statement, take log on both the sides, and afterwards you can do that. Okay. Before differentiating, see, observe this properly. Before differentiating, take log on both the side. Okay. So if you take log on both the side, let us see what will happen. Y is equal to x to the power of x. So take log on both the side. So if you take log on both side, let us see what will happen. Left hand side becomes log y. Log y is equals to log of x to the power of x. See, you know one property in logarithms, that is log of m power n. Log of m power n is n log m. Actually, for the right hand side term, for the right hand side means this term, I am applying the property log of m power n. Okay. So, if you apply log of m power n property, then let us see what will happen. X log x. This can be written as x log x. Log y is equals to x log x. Now I will differentiate this with respect to x. So let us see what will happen. Log y. Log y derivative is 1 by y. Into chain rule properly you must apply. So log derivative is over. Now I am differentiating y. So y derivative, that is y with respect to x, if you differentiate, it becomes dy by dx. So 1 by y dy by dx is equals to, in this, that means in x log x, observe properly, in x log x, it is a product of two function. See, actually x is one function, log x is another one function. Okay, so if you want to differentiate, you must apply the product rule. So let us apply the product rule. Product rule means u into v. So u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This property you must apply. So if you apply that property, let us see what will happen. X into log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x into x derivative is 1. So we want finally dy by dx. So dy by dx, see, I am shifting the y to right hand side or taking the y to right hand side. So y into, see x gets cancelled, 1 plus log x into 1, it is log x. So finally, you must substitute the y value. What is y? Y is x power x into 1 plus log x. So this is the final answer for the given question. So observe this properly, taking the log and see till here, taking the log and applying the property, you will get 1 mark. After differentiating and finding dy by dx, you will get another 1 marks. This carries 2 marks. Okay, I think you have got this question. If you have any doubts, you please put in the comment box. I will move to the second question, that is, if y is equals to x to the power of sine x, find dy by dx. This is the second question. The question is, if y is equals to x to the power of sine x, then find dy by dx. Even in this question, they have asked to find out dy by dx. The base is, observe this properly. What is the question? The base is function of x, the power is also the function of x, isn't it? So the same method we must apply. The same method means which method you will apply? That is logarithmic differentiation. That is, let us see. I am considering the question x to the power of sine x. So differentiate this with respect to x. Before differentiating, let let us take log on both the side. Take log on both side. Very important. You must consider log on both the side. This statement is very important. Which one? Take log on both the side. Okay, so if you don't write, you won't get any marks in the examination. So now I am taking log on both the side. Log y is equals to log of x to the power of sine x. See, observe this again. I will apply the property. Which property I will apply here? Log of m power n. Log of m power n is n into log m. So if you apply that, still I have not differentiated this function. Just I am applying the property of logarithms. If you apply the property, it becomes sin x into log x. Now I will differentiate this with respect to x. So let us differentiate this with respect to x. Log y. Log y derivative is 1 by y. And y derivative is dy by dx. Observe this properly. The left hand side, this is actually the same steps what we have done for the previous problem also. Okay, log y, always the derivative is 1 by y derivative is dy by dx. Now, this is a product of two functions. Sin x is one function, log x is another one function. We must apply the product rule. So, the product rule is sin x into log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x, second function, into derivative of sin x is cos x. So, finally, we want dy by dx. I will take this y to right hand side. Dy by dx is equals to y into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Observe this properly. This is very important. See, the major mistake what you will do, no, in the examination you will left this x. Just you will write log of cos x, then it's become a big mistake. You won't get full marks in the examination. So please don't forget to write this x. It is there, log x is there, so you should write log x. Okay, don't forget to write log x into cos x. Okay, finally I apply the value of y. So the y value is x to the power of sin x. So x to the power of sin x means I am writing the final answer, x to the power of sin x into sin x by x, as we are having in the final answer, plus log x cos x. This is the final answer. The third question is, if y is equals to sin x whole power x. The third question, if y equals sin x whole power x, then find dy by dx. So see, even in this question, they have asked to find out dy by dx, isn't it? So if y is equals to sin x whole power x, they have asked to find out dy by dx. So even in this question also, see, the base is, observe that properly, the base is sin x. isn't it? Function of x. The power is also sine x. Sorry, x. Even x means what? Even it is also a function of x. Okay, directly we can't differentiate this function. So obviously we must apply the what? Logarithmic differentiation. That is by taking log on both the side, we can easily differentiate this function. So I am considering the problem first, sin x whole power x. Sin x whole power x. So I will take some other color. Okay, this is not so good enough. So I will select some other question color. Let me select the blue. Okay, take log on both the side. Take log on both side. So if you take log on both the side, let us see what we will get. Log y is equals to log of sin x whole power x. Sin x whole power x. So sin x whole power x means log of m power n. Again the same property. Log of m power n is n log m. That property I will apply here. Okay. So let us see what will happen. X into log of sin x. So again, see, observe this properly. X means it is one function, log of sin x is another one function. Okay. So if you differentiate, now I will differentiate this function with respect to x. So write the statement, differentiate with respect to x. So let us see what will happen if you differentiate this with respect to x. Log y, as usual, 1 by y. Y derivative is dy by dx. Observe this properly. This is the same thing we should write even for all the problem. If you are having log y, it is 1 by y dy by dx. Next, apply the property, that is product rule. First function into log of sin x is 1 by sin x, isn't it? Into, see, log derivative is over, now this is remaining sin x. Sin x derivative is, what is sin x derivative? That is cos x, plus log of sin x, v into derivative of x. Derivative of x is 1. So combining this, we can write x into, see, cos x by sin x, we know that it is cot x plus log of sin x. Such a simple problem it is. So here I will take this y to right hand side. So if you take this y to right hand side, it becomes y into cot x plus log of sin x. So this is dy by dx. Finally, compulsory you must you must substitute the y value. Y is what? Sin x whole power x. Okay, sin x whole power x cot x plus log of sin x. So this is the final answer for the given question. The next question, fourth question, if y is equals to sin x whole power cos x. Sin x whole power cos x. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. See, even this question is also from logarithmic differentiation. Okay. So let me find out the derivative of sin x whole power cos x. So same as usual, as we have done for the previous problem, even to solve this problem, we must apply we must take log on both the side. The problem is y is equals to sin x whole power cos x. I will differentiate this function with respect to x. So, sorry, before differentiating, take log on both the side. Take log on both side. So if you take log on both side, let us see what will happen. See, before differentiating, we must take log on both the side to solve this type of problem, because the base is a function of x and also the power is function of x, as I explained in the first problem. So that's why you must take log on both the side. So the right hand side is, as usual, it is in the form of log of m power n. We know the property n log m. So that property, if you apply, let us see what will happen to the right hand side. The right hand side becomes, in the place of n, we are having cos x. So cos x into log of sin x it becomes. Now I will differentiate this function with respect to x. So let us see what will happen. So you are compulsory, you must write the statement differentiate with respect to x, because from this step we are starting to differentiate the given function. So that's why write the statement differentiate with respect to x. Log y derivative is 1 by y. Y derivative is dy by dx is equals to, as usual, apply the product rule. First function into log of sin x. Log of sin x is 1 by sin x into sin x. Derivative is cos x plus Log of sin x into cos x derivative is minus sin x. So you should be very careful here. This is log of sin x. This into minus sin x. This is one function. This whole thing is another one function. Don't forget to write properly. So we want dy by dx. So dy by dx, I am taking the y to right hand side. Compulsory you must take because they have asked dy by dx. They have not asked any 1 by y dy by dx. That's why I'm taking y to right hand side. So cos x by sin x, we know it is cot x into cos x minus, I'm writing the sin x first, sin x into log of sin x. So finally, you must substitute the value of y. If you substitute, that will become the final answer for the given question. So the final answer is dy by dx is equals to y into y is what? Sin x whole power cos x into cot x into cos x minus sin x into log of sin x. So this is the final answer for the given question by dx. Let us find log x whole power cos x derivative. We must find out, isn't it? So to find out that, what we should do, the same procedure as we have done for the previous problems. So what procedure we must do? We must take log on both the sides. Okay. So the solution is, I'm considering the problem. Y is equal to log x whole power cos x. So take log on both the side. So if you take log on both the side, let us see what will happen. Log on both sides. See this statement, you must write compulsory. Okay. So then if you write systematically, no, the evaluator will come to know, oh, the student know the procedure of the problem, or student know the problem very well, and they will give the marks. They won't cut any marks in the problem what you have done. See, observe this. If you take log on both the side in this problem, base is having log x. Okay. So log x whole power cos x. Be careful. So, in the place of, what is the property? Log of m power n. It is n log m. Observe this. In the place of n, what we are having? What we are having? In the place of n, we are having cos x. This is actually n. Okay. And this is m. So, how you will write? So, how to write this? Log of m power n. Be careful while writing. So, if you differentiate, or before differentiating, I'm applying the property cos x log x. So now I will differentiate with respect to x. So if you differentiate with respect to x, let us see what you will get. So if you differentiate, as usual, 1 by y dy by dx. If you observe from the first problem, the left hand side is same, 1 by y dy by dx. There is no changes. Okay. So right hand side we are having, we must apply the product rule. For cos x is u and log x is v. So if you apply the product rule, first function into derivative of log x is 1 by log x into, see this derivative is over. Now we move on to the log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x plus log x, keep that as it is. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Okay. So now I will take y to right hand side. Dy by dx is equal to y into cos x divided by, in the denominator, if you multiply the terms, it becomes x log x minus sin x into log x. So finally, substitute the value of what? Y. So the final answer is dy by dx is equals to y is log x whole power cos x into the remaining what we have got, that we should write, that is cos x divided by x log x minus sin x into log x. So this is what the final answer for the given problem, log x whole power cos x. The next question, if sixth question, if y is equals to x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x, find dy by dx. See, even in this question also, the base is function of x and also the power is function of x. So as usual, by taking log on both the side, we must solve this problem. Okay. So let me write the given function. Y is equals to x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x. Take log on both the side before differentiating. So take log on both side. So if you take log on both the side, it becomes log y is equals to log of x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x. See, in here actually in this problem, x plus 1 by x is the what? Base. The power of base is also a function of x. This is in the form of log of m power n. Log of m power n is n log m, as you know already. So in the place of n, we are having x. In the place of m, we are having x plus 1 by x. So we must differentiate. Sorry, we must apply the property first. After that, let us differentiate. After that, let us differentiate the function. So the given problem, by applying the logarithmic property, we get x into log of x plus 1 by x. Now I will differentiate with respect to x. Okay. So differentiate with respect to x. So after differentiating, log y derivative is 1 by y derivative is dy by dx is equal to x into u into v. Okay, so u into v means x is the first function, log of x plus 1 by x is the second function. We must apply the product rule. First function as it is, we must write log of x plus 1 by x is 1 by x plus 1 by x. So this is log derivative is over. Now we should differentiate x plus 1 by x. So let me differentiate. So after differentiating, what we will get? X derivative is 1. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. So first part is over. Next, keeping the second function as it is, we must differentiate the first function. The first function is x. X derivative is 1. Okay, so now by taking the y to right hand side, what we will get? Dy by dx. Let us see. Dy by dx is equals to y into, observe this, we must simplify this. Okay, so in the denominator, I will take the LCM. LCM is x. What you will get after taking the LCM? X square plus 1 into, even in these two terms, we must simplify by taking the LCM. X square is the LCM. It becomes x square minus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. So, if any term will get cancelled, you just cancel this. See, this x multiplies with this x, it becomes x square. So, as it is in the numerator, this both the terms will get cancelled with x square. So, now I will write down the remaining terms. Dy by dx is equals to y. What is y? Y is x plus 1 by x whole to the power of x into. In the numerator, we are having x square minus 1. In the denominator, we are having x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. So this is the final answer for the given problem. Okay.